Hello, in today's video I am going to share with you people some of the book information that I read. If you people like it and find it interesting, surely read it. So let's begin. The logical part of me. This is a story of a guy, the guy who rejects a girl, but then he can't forget her. And what happens when these two meet again? So in this story, Tejas and his mother are happy. They are happy because of Tejas' marriage. Kushal and Tejas are going to marry. Teji is Tejas' sister. Uh, Kushal's sister is Anokhi. Tejas has the list of requirements for his marriage. Tejas and Anokhi like each other, but Anokhi does not match the criteria for Tejas' marriage. So Tejas indirectly says no to Anokhi. This uh, get hurts to Anokhi. Tejas wants to call Anokhi. Tejas wants to apologize to her. He calls her. But then he communicates with her as he is one of the client of her plant's business. Anokhi tells him about Tejas. Anokhi doesn't know that she is talking with Tejas. Tejas and Anokhi meet again at Kushal and Tejas engagement. This is a story about two friends. These two friends' journey is over at certain point of time. But they meet again for a new journey and they are going to the same place all same. And how they become again very good friends. Kavya cab gets cancelled. She finds another cab. She gets this cab with her friend. Miracles can happen. A hopeful father gets to know that his son can hurt. At the birth of the son, the doctor says that he cannot hurt. But then this happens. Miracles are dependent upon mental attitude. This is a story about a television actress. Disha reaches to Ara. She wants to make some investments that she can have monthly. That she can have monthly money. Disha is going to leave Mumbai. She is going to leave her work. She is selling her Mumbai properties. Disha says that she is going to marry arranged. She is going to marry Ara. Win your own battles. A person should ready for the challenges. You should believe that you can control anything, but do not worry about it, some things that can't be controlled. You can't control what others will think about you. Success means accept challenges. He didn't blame others or anything. Take the responsibility. Keep doing, keep going. Success is not an overnight thing. You should work consistently. That is the only key. Sandeep asks a girl that she is a teacher. The girl answers that she is a student. Now Aditi is a wedding planner. She has a good presence of her business on social media. She has a feeling for Sandeep. Sandeep and Natasha are going to marry. Aditi is the wedding planner of this wedding. To be free. So, to be free, choose the work and then work. Kind to human beings, behave with them with understanding, spend quality time with her people. And if you don't feel the need at all, do not have imaginary deadlines. To be free is about self-belief. Uh, like a worry-free person and a brave person is a free person. He or she will have less negative emotions or negative energies. Then he or she will work with more energy. So in this story, Abir traces his own path. He works in finance department. He has success. Uh, Abir does not want to get married because he does not want to forget about his past. He is still in love with her. That Arna wants his brother's life changed again. So Arna puts Abir in a situation. He says Abir that if he marries Kavya, only then he will marry to Samira, who is his love. Abir's mother selects Kavya for him. Abir says yes in this situation. Kavya and Samira are sisters. Abir and Kavya meets at a cafe. They don't have a normal conversation, though they both agree to marriage because they have one common thing, that is family law. Anna thanks to Kavya. Samira talks to Abir. Abir gives a gift to Kavya on first month wedding anniversary. My heart's regret. This is the love story. This is a very good love story. In this story, a boy named Pradeep comes to see Samira. Samira wears pink salwar kameez. Raghav comes as Nana is ill. Pradeep goes out of the car to talk with someone when they are in the car. At the dinner, Samira tells Pradeep that he loves someone else. Pradeep says that life and marriage is about compromise. Samara's parents scold her for his behavior with the guy. Raghav and Samira deep talks about the memories long from childhood.